very, very important to look good at any given point in time, no matter who we are with and where we are, right? Now, if I have to break down this thing about looking good, what does it involve? It involves hairstyling, makeup, good clothes, but all this is pretty superficial, isn't it? Essentially, it's about having good skin. And good skin in a climate like ours, whether it's hot and humid in a place like Mumbai, and what's not. She is a leading dermatologist with more than 20 years of experience, and she is the head of the Department of Dermatology at BYL Nair Hospital. So I'm going to welcome on stage Dr. Chitra Nayak.
Good afternoon.
It's really our pleasure and privilege to have you with us, and I'm sure I have to thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule to be with us.
Thank you. It's a pleasure.
Now, doctor, we were just talking about various methods of hair removal. I'm sure you get a lot of patients who come in with queries on hair removal, right? So at the present day and age, what is the age groups from which they start wanting to remove hair, and how important is it to them?
Yeah, I think right from the pubertal age, early teens, and now girls are attaining puberty even earlier. So, surprisingly, hair removal is not just, of course, the preserve of women, even men come for it. But yes, it's like very, very early teens is probably when all girls and women become conscious about hair removal. And they have a lot of questions because they have a lot of misconceptions about how to remove their hair. So it's often like up to me to clear their myths, not only that of the young patients, but even their mothers, and sometimes maybe even their grandmothers.
So which is the form that you normally recommend, or what are the really popular forms which are there?
Yeah, so a lot of people are very in favor of waxing, but when I say that a very young girl, it's or for any age for that matter, shaving is one of the best ways of removal of hair. They're usually aghast because they've always thought shaving is not a very good way of hair removal. They have a lot of misconceptions.
Out to now, come on stage. They are Gillette Venus brand ambassador Chitrangada Singh and the very, very gorgeous Soha Ali Khan.